Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Nanapod ko si Farwah for a new video. And for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about makeup brushes. So, as you all know, I'm a makeup enthusiast. So, brushes is like a big part of my life. So, I'm gonna be introducing to you some of the beginner brushes or important brushes that you need for your makeup kit. So, without further ado, let's get started! So, for today's items, items ba? Well, for today's items, I have this brush. Ay, mag-focus. No, focus! So, this is from Daiso, but it's actually given to me by my aunt from Japan. So, it's like a very small na ano lang siya. And it has 5 pieces. Yan. Don't know if you can see. Yan. So, meron siyang sponge applicator. I think this is for the lips. Something from eyeshadow brushes. Yung bristles niya. And of course, like a fluff brush for blush. I think the size of this one is really good for traveling if you're a traveler. But sadly, we all know we just can't right now. But still, these brushes are very handy, and it comes with lalagyan. It has its own case, so it's super space saver and very neatly kept. Kasi yan lang siya at hindi siya mawawala. It's intact. You can put it, isuksok niyo, isuksok. Something. Basta. And for me, this is very savvy. Because when it comes to its purpose, I think nasa-serve naman niya yung purpose niya. At the end, this is, like, how do you say this? I don't think these are very like expensive looking brushes, pero it's really good. Like, it's still super soft. Soup as in action na parang rough? No, it doesn't have. Even the eyeshadow, I would thought that this would be very hard and it's not good for the eyes, but it isn't. I don't know, it's super smooth. I like it. Actually, I actually like it. This one, I don't think this is very helpful for your lipstick. I mean, it's your own lipstick. You can apply it directly. But if you want more like emphasis or accuracy, this could be a very helpful tool. So, this 5 for me is enough. Especially kung nagta-travel or you're going somewhere and you don't want to bring lots and lots of stuff with you. So, this is really, really good. Because for me lang ha, for the basic brushes that you really need is like for your powders, like blush, powders, mga pang-retouch. This is really, really good. I mean, it's not that big. I mean, you have to work on it, but it's really good. It's a good deal. And ito, like for this one, you could use this one to pack on this one. You could use this to pack on yung eyeshadow mo. Like, yung daily eyeshadow mo, you just have to like pack it on your eyelids and then blend ng konti. I mean, I think that's it. This is really highly recommend this for traveling. It's very handy as well. And also for beginners. This is really good for you to practice. Yeah. And I found another one. Smaller, much smaller, from Daiso again, from Japan. And actually this is supposedly 4 brushes, pero yung isa is nasira na yung sponge niya, parang ano na, how do you say that, nasira. But I must say, hindi rin siya poor quality. Swear. The bristles, all of them are synthetic brushes. So, ang soft talaga. I don't know why. It's super soft to skin. And of course, basic needs mo lang din. Isigdin mo lang din. Like, brush for powders, for eyeshadow. I think yun lang naman talaga ang yung mga need mo for makeup. Even I, personally, sometimes, I don't use brushes kung sa akin lang naman. To spread the foundation or BB cream, gamit ko lang ang kamay ko. Of course, yung eyeshadow, sometimes kamay lang din. But if I have these are very lifesavers. Like, look at them. They're so small, but very handy. Yeah, so I would highly recommend this too. So now, let's move on to the big brushes. Actually, if you're really into like makeup and you want to make a career out of it, I think investing in like good brushes is also very good. Pero if you're just starting out and you want to make use of what you have, or experiment until you know how to and all of that. Ako, I started with yung mga Shopee brushes, yung mga kabuki brushes na they come in 10 pieces ba yun? So, here's an example of that. Actually, I have na-mix na ata sila. I don't know where are the others, but this is an example of yan, like this one. So, it comes with ito, flat tops, parang may angle, ganda ng forehead ko. Sometimes ito, parang fluffy. This one, angled fluffy. Ito, flat din. And all of that. And these are blending brushes for eyeshadow. And these are really good. And sobrang uy, ginokular. Kanang kansya, kanang barato ba? Barato, kanang saan to? Mura. It's very mura. Sa Shopee lang ito. Nabili ko lang ito. Yung set na to. Itong black and pink. This one, I bought. It's tanto, but I don't know the others are there. For 100 pesos. Set na siya. And these are all very smooth. Synthetic brushes din sila. So, as much as possible, huwag na lang tayo dun sa natural. I know natural hair brushes is super nice. Like, talagang kumakapit yung pigment doon. But, synthetic is good. Yeah, and also this one is also for 130 pesos. The pink one. This is sobrang mura. And you can practice with this. Talagang they will serve this purpose. This one, I have this for 3 years already. This one, I just recently bought this one. So, parang bago-bago pa to. But, you see, for 3 years, though nag-sustain na talaga siya, kahit ano ko siya, girl. Kapilang laban na siya, girl. Pero, this is really, really good. I highly recommend as well if you're starting like makeup. Really, really good. And of course, this is my like panlaban na brushes. I bought this in Lazada for I forgot. 600 ata yun, na nag-sale sila, naging 300 pesos na lang siya. It comes with talagang yung lalagyan niya. I'll insert a photo somewhere. And 22 pieces ata siya. That it's really talagang complete na parang may concealer brush, foundation brushes, and all of that. But I have to say, parang me personally, I am satisfied with this kabuki brushes. Whether you use it like if you're trying to hustle hard to the makeup industry, na gusto mong mag-makeup na ibang tao, as in, I don't think it's about the tools that you do, but your skill and how to use the tools or make use of what you have. I think yun talaga ang important. Yeah. So, I think you just have to hone your skills into handling. No matter, kahit pag girl, pinakamahal na yung muhang brush, diha, umabot pa million or thousands, and if you don't know how to use them, I don't think it will serve their purpose. But if you have the skill, I think that's really good. And these are super easy to play with. And I also want to emphasize that I think there is no exact rule into which brush you should really use, but it depends on how you work your magic on it. Like there's no like that exact rules na talagang foundation muna or kilay muna, eyeshadow muna. It doesn't matter as kung ano ang hiyang sa'yo and what is really you think that it's good for you, it's best for you, and what you can work best with it. As in, go, 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 go! So, yung mga aspiring makeup enthusiasts just like me, I want to encourage you all to just keep on practicing. Talagang, it's just take practice. Blending is the key. Talagang, you just have to make the right blend. Ganon lang talaga siya. And make it your art. And be creative. Express yourself. Just be yourself. And all of that. So, yeah. So, I don't think na every brush should have a specific name. Like, this is just only for powder. Or this is just only for foundation. I think it depends kung paano mo siya gamitin. Just know that there are tools that you can use as well. And, just know that kung ano yung hiyang sa'yo and what's best for you, go for it. But, yeah, kaya nga, not but these are like the brushes that I also recommend if you really want to practice your makeup skills. Yeah, and of course, for traveling, itong maliliit na to, just for personal use naman, personal use. And if you're if you want to like to do your work or like to put makeup to other people, siguro ito naman ang gamitin natin, yung mga big brushes naman siguro, diba? So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down and I'll make sure to reply to all of them. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye!